Right, infrared radiation. The word infrared means below red in the electromagnetic spectrum. It is a part of the electromagnetic spectrum. One thing to notice is that infrared radiation is not the same as nuclear radiation, otherwise known as ionizing radiation. Nuclear radiation and ionized radiation have a lot more energy than infrared radiation. Infrared radiation is a form of sort of invisible light that is given off by hot objects, all hot objects. In fact, all objects emit infrared radiation. You can also take in, which is known as absorbing or reflecting infrared radiation. Okay, so that's a good word to use, absorb. The best absorbers and the best emitters of infrared radiation are dark matte surfaces. So not only do dark matte surfaces take in infrared very well, they also emit infrared very well. Poor absorbers and emitters of infrared radiation are light shining surfaces. In fact, they're good reflectors of infrared radiation, e.g. mirrors are very good reflectors of it. So if you wanted to give out loads of heat in your room, then you should really paint your radiators black. That would give out lots and lots of heat, but of course they'd be a bit of an eyesore. The key words are infrared. Emit is a good word to use. That basically means to give out. Absorb means to take in. Matte refers to sort of like a shiny, a dull black, as opposed to a glossy black, which is sort of shiny. So make sure you say the word matte black when they ask which is the best absorber. And a reflector obviously gives out, it reflects infrared radiation, which is really what mirrors do. And that there is infrared radiation.